Zoho Analytics versus Power BI, best data analytics tool. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you the difference between Zoho Analytics and Power BI to help you decide which one is the best data analytics tool for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Zoho Analytics is best for simplicity and affordability. Over here, it offers a user-friendly interface, cloud-based access, and seamless integration with Zoho apps. After that, it provides automated reports and AI-powered insights, making it a great choice for small businesses and teams looking for budget-friendly buy solutions. Then, let's talk about Power BI. Over here, Power BI is ideal for advanced analytics and large-scale data. After that, it offers powerful data analysis, deep integrations with Microsoft tools, and AI powered analytics. Then, it's best suited for data analysts, enterprise teams, and businesses needing advanced reporting and predictive analytics. Now, which one should you choose? Pick Zoho Analytics if you need a simple, affordable buy tool for easy reporting. Pick Power BI if you need enterprise level analytics, AI features, and advanced data modeling. So that's the comparison between Zoho Analytics and Power BI. For small businesses and Zoho users, Zoho Analytics is the best choice, while Power BI is better for enterprises and advanced analytics. That's all for this video.